So we heard already yesterday and again this morning some great evidence how diet then can modulate mental health. And what I'm going to talk about today is how actually diet can modulate brain plasticity, and a very particular form of brain plasticity that we call adult hippocampal neurogenesis, or the birth of new neuron in the adult brain in the particular area of the hippocampus. So I'm going to start the talk giving you, an introduction about adult hippocampal neurogenesis. Then I'm going to show you evidence that diet can modulate neurogenesis. And towards the end of the talk, I'm going to explore with you some of our study, exploring and identifying some molecular mechanisms that underlie dietary modulation of neurogenesis. So neurogenesis, again, the birth of new neurons, and in the context of the adult brain was thought to not be existing for very long. And as stated back then in 1928 by Cajal, once development has ended in the adult center, everything may die and nothing may be regenerated. And we had to wait until the 1960s with a study by Altman and Das that shows for the first time evidence of postnatal hippocampal neurogenesis in rats. But that, like many intriguing discoveries, so this at the time in the 60s was very much ignored. And we had to wait the early 90s by developing new tools to really follow the generation of new neurons in the adult brain to validate the finding from Altman and Das.